Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Amazon to your Shopify store. This can make it easier to connect both platforms and manage your selling process in one setup. So to get started, I want you to log into your Shopify admin panel. And once you're on the dashboard, go to the left side menu and click on apps. So from there, open the Shopify App Store where you can search for apps that add more functions to your store. Next, use the search bar and look for CS Amazon Sync, and once the app appears in the results, select it and click install. After the installation is finished or complete, go back to your Shopify admin and find the newly installed CS Amazon Sync app from the left side panel. Open the app and you should see an option to connect your Amazon account. Click the connect button, then follow the instructions shown on the screen to link your Amazon seller account with your Shopify store. Make sure to complete each prompt so the connection is set up properly or correctly. And once you finish those steps, your Amazon account should be connected to Shopify. So this allows both platforms to work together and can make managing your sales channels more convenient. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.